How would you like to lose fat, build muscle, improve your athletic performance, get better sleep, increase your sex drive, improve your skin quality, and reduce your risk of disease, all while eating as much as you want? Sound too good to be true? Well, it might be, but that's what we're here for. Welcome to the Paleo Diet. You're watching Shreducated, where we're testing different fitness concepts to find what really works best. And next on deck is the Paleo Diet. So when I left elementary school and packed up all my Pogs, Crazy Bones, Pokemon cards, Beyblades, I thought I was done with fads. But apparently I was wrong, because adult life introduces a whole new kind of fad: diets. And these things trend quicker than trading cards. And leading this trend is the Paleo Diet. Paleo's got a cult-like following who don't seem to be half as concerned with knowing how effective the diet really is as they are with activities like posting their latest meal to Instagram, letting everybody that they meet know that they're eating paleo, and swagging out half-naked pictures of themselves with sweet new hashtags. Unless you're living under a rock, then you've probably heard of the Paleo Diet. And if you are living under a rock, you're in luck. You're probably already following it. It's the caveman diet. The word paleo refers to the Paleolithic era, a period of time that accounts for over 99% of our species' existence. Our ancestors lived in hunter-gatherer societies, foraging for food. They ate what they found as they traversed the landscape, populating the globe. Women would collect fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds as men hunted for wild animals. Since such a large portion of our existence occurred during this era, paleo practitioners theorized that we should be eating the same foods as our Paleolithic ancestors, the foods that we evolved eating. The founder of the Paleo Diet says, "The Paleo Diet, the world's healthiest diet, is based upon the fundamental concept that the optimal diet is the one to which we are genetically adapted." Simply put, eat like a caveman. This means eating plenty of protein, lower carbs, and higher fat than a traditional Western diet. This also means improving electrolyte intake, balancing acid-alkaline consumption, and increasing micronutrient consumption, all while eating a diet consisting solely of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and meat. This actually seems quite logical, but there are several flaws. The fact is, human evolution accelerated exponentially over the past 10,000 years, the period of time where we moved away from a paleo diet and towards more of an agricultural and industrial diet. There's also evidence existing that some of our hunter-gatherer ancestors actually ate foods explicitly banned from the paleo diet. The paleo diet has also been ranked the worst diet in America, making me a little bit worried about how effective this diet might really be. But none of this has stopped the paleo diet's popularity from skyrocketing, giving the multitude of health benefits it's theorized to have, and the attention-whoring hashtags that come with them. Whether or not these benefits actually hold up experimentally is a whole other question, which is why we're here. Most of the trials that are done on paleo, or any diet for that matter, are extremely biased. Of course, if someone goes from eating a diet of pizza and beer to eating chicken and broccoli for every meal, they're gonna get more fit. If someone goes from snorting cocaine to drinking Red Bull, they'll probably have better brain function. But that doesn't mean that it's optimal or realistic. I'm gonna test on my regular clean diet containing agricultural foods like wheat and dairy, and industrial foods like protein powders compares to a paleo diet. I'll be tracking this comparison through objective metrics such as strength, body composition, grocery price, and meal prep time. I'll also be using subjective measures including mental outlook, taste, and the ease of maintaining the diet. To eliminate all biases, I'll be following the same exact workout program while testing a clean and a paleo diet. That means I'll be doing the same workout split, using the same exercises, doing the same number of sets, and using the same rep ranges, the same everything. I'll also be following the same nutritional schema. That means the same number of calories per pound and the same meal timing. This means the only thing that's gonna change are the foods that I'm eating. I'll be switching my grains for fruits and veggies, and my dairy, including protein powder, for meat, nuts, and seeds. Do I really need to spend an exorbitant amount of money to eat like a cave-dwelling monkey man in order to optimize my nutrition? Or can I enjoy the culinary and supplementary marvels of the modern world? We're about to find out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to find the results of this trial as they're done. Also to find the results of any past trials or any future trials, as well as more information regarding the paleo diet. To learn more, check out ultimatepaleoguide.com. This is a website that was essential for me in developing my paleo diet by learning paleo-approved foods, recipes, and more information on the diet. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know if you've done the paleo diet and what you think of it.